Hi everyone, here we've got Motorola Moto G10 and let me share with you how to activate the demo mode on this device. So firstly, let's enter the settings and here we have to tap on System. Now let's tap on Advanced and tap on Developer Options. If you cannot find those options, it means that you have to activate them. So just find our tutorial how to enable developer options and go back to this video. So let's enter Developer Options and here all we have to do is simply find the option which is System UI Demo Mode. Let's tap on it. And as you can see here, we've got two different options. Firstly, we have to enable the demo mode, so actually we have to activate that. So just tap on the switcher here, and right now it is turned on, but it is not visible. So in order to show demo mode, just tap on the switcher under it. And as you can see here, we've got some changes on the status bar. What's more, after unrolling it, you can also see some changes. So this is how to activate the demo mode. Obviously, you can turn it off whenever you want, just by tapping on this switcher, and actually it is still turned on, but it is not visible. If you'd like to totally shut it out, just tap on the switcher here. So actually that's all. This is how to enable the demo mode in your Motorola Moto G10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.